Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily move your Hutt DDC5 using remote. Now it's pretty easy. What you guys have to do is power on the machine. I cannot do that right now because it will be too loud and you guys won't be able to hear me. So to simply move your Hutt DDC5 while it's walking on your Windows, then simply we have the remote right here, and what we can do is here we can move up, right, down and left. So these arrows can actually help us navigate the robot. We can guide it through the window to make sure that it's properly cleaned. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like, subscribe and leave a comment.